We've got it. It's coming. It's here. I'm excited. It's kind of hot. Giveaway, 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 giveaway. It's a giveaway. We got another giveaway. Got another giveaway for you. We are giving away 10 Instant Studio kits. The Instant Studio kit contains Young Nails base coat and a Young Nails top coat, 240 buffers, orange wood sticks nail wipes, 5 table towels, 2 tip display stands. It's got toenail clippers, cuticle clippers, 6 nail art brushes, brah, 8-ounce polish remover, full cover almond tips, yo, 1/4 ounce Funkadelic glitter, and it comes with 3 of our Young Nails nail polishes, Look Don't Touch, Heaven Help Me, and She's a Pistol. Giveaway starts today, July 30th. The way you enter is to like, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. We will announce the winners in 1 week on August 6th around 12 noon. So be on the lookout. We'll announce it here in our community tab on YouTube as well as Instagram stories. We will get in contact with you if you are the winner. So be a part of this giveaway. It's a really good giveaway. 10 Instant Studio kits. Do not be left out. So do the do, be a part of it. And good luck to everybody entering this giveaway. We're excited.